More often, you may have faced this confusion when selecting your product design for your next launch. Whether to go with a best-selling size, whether to go with a best-selling color, or whether to go with a best-selling pack size. This is a subjective situation on the basis of size, color, and pack size. In this video, I will be showing you one method that I personally use for product design validation for my next launch. My name is Amar and I am a seller and a service provider on Amazon. So let's suppose this is our niche air fryer liners and we want to identify the best selling pack sizes and the designs in this niche. So what we will do, we will run helium 10 X-ray. We will identify the designs based on the highest revenue. So it's already sorted from top to bottom. We have this first seller doing 6 figures in monthly revenue. Let's open it. So I will be opening all the sellers that are doing good revenue. So the first seller we have is the pack of 125 and he is offering different sizes within the pack of 125. So we have 6 sizes for this competitor. Let's move to the next. Next we have a pack of 100 and this guy is offering 3 sizes. He's offering 2 pack sizes and 1 200 pack size. So the third one is a silicone liner and he's offering 3 colors. And the fourth one is a 100 pieces and 6.3 inch. He is offering different pack size as well and different sizes as well. This seller is offering 3 different sizes with a pack of 125. So you can see that we have different sellers with higher revenue. They are offering different pack sizes. So what we will do, we will create a spreadsheet, and on the basis of their sizes we will sort their percentage of market share on the basis of their pack size. So I have created 3 different sheets and I will be hiding the product details because I am already working on this product. So you can create a separate sheet and you can see that I have created a market share on the basis of their pack sizes. So you can see that I have created, we have here pack of 1 and pack of 1 total 5.17%, pack of 10 and 12.07%, pack of 100 3.45%, pack of 11 3.45%. The highest we have is the pack of 25, that is 13.79%, and we have pack of 30 22.41%. The niche we have selected is different and this sheet is different because of different products, but I am giving you a concept. So I can see that the highest is pack of 30 with the 22.41%, and the second is the pack of 25 with 13.79%. We understand that the first most selling pack size is pack of 30 and the second most is pack of 25. So I will going to create a PickFu poll and the poll will decide that which design the consumers more want. The poll option we will select is head to head. And here the question is very important, that how you address your designs. I will select this design and on my image I will mention that this is pack of 25 and this is going to be pack of 30. I can enter the pack design here. I have already did this many times, and here you can see my poll, and I have did 2 polls for this. I can't show you the product because of the privacy. So I found good results with this. So I will create a poll with one option first pack of 30 and option 2 pack of 25. If I have more options I can add from this sheet. If I like, the second one is pack of 25 and the third one is pack of 10, so I can opt for pack of 10 as well here. So this was a general overview of product design validation. I have been using this process for more than a year and it's working very well for me. So if you find this video helpful, do let me know in comments. Thank you.